Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at that. It's just flying so sweet. Look at that. Now I can actually walk with it. Ooh, that was nice. Just glided in my hand. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. And welcome to this little video of the Biometric bird from Bionic birds indoor flight testing. Now, this is not exactly indoors. I am under the stadium seating area right here. And it's kind of indoors. Well, we can say it. Very little wind, not too much, very little wind. And I will see how this little birdie is going to perform right here. Okay, I believe now we can try ground takeoff. Let's take off from floor. This is tiled floor, very smooth, so shouldn't be any problem. Here we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ooh, even better controls. Look at that. Amazing. So indoors is actually flying even better than outdoors in the winds. So you cannot fly it in very small room, of course, like my apartment, but maybe if I get my skills going properly and learn the behavior of this bird, look how quick turns it makes, I can actually fly it in my house, probably in the living room. Not very sure, but given that an area like this big, it's absolutely fun to fly. Look at that. How beautiful it's flying around here. Uh-oh, that was too much turn. You cannot give it too much turn because it kind of quickly dives down. Oh man. Gliding and holding it is easier than, landing the eagle in your hands. So what I'm gonna do is now, I hope the camera is looking, I'm gonna turn the tail slightly up and try to fly it slower and see how it goes. So I just take off from ground, man. It's more fun to take off from ground. There you go. Ooh, it's actually more slow, and you have to control it rather more input required at times compared to the faster turns or faster mode. Oh, almost hit that pillar right there. Oh, look at that. It's just flying so sweet, man. I can actually walk with it. Come back here, come back here. Nice, man. It's just a lot of fun, actually. Indoors is just much more fun. Glide. Nice. The tail down a bit. Number 4, I believe this is number 4. And this is where you will have more fun flying it around because it's kind of like speed and, control balance. So if you want to fly slower, just turn the tail up. If you want to fly faster, put the tail down, push it downwards, and it will fly faster. I yet have to try it on, one moment. Ooh, that was nice. Just glided in my hand. I have to try this. Hold on. This is all the way up. That's number 1 probably, or I don't know. Number 1 is down and 5 up or 5 down now. So anyway, it's just all the way up. And see, now I should be able to fly it very, very slow. But turning will be a kind of issue. Look at that. Now I can actually walk with it. Now it's slow and nice. It's like a little butterfly flying around here, man. A little fairy. Uh-oh, we landed. Sorry, the pillar moved too fast. beautiful, man. It's just super fun. It's more fun than flying whoops. I have flown whoops in this area as well, FPV whoops, and I can tell you this is definitely more fun flying this bird compared to flying FPV whoops in this area. Well, this is the beginning of these birds, I would say. Let me land it on the floor. Hold on. Beautiful landing. And I'll put the tail down a bit. Tail all the way down for even more fast flight. So yes, I was saying that this is just the beginning of these flapping wing little RC birds, biometric birds or drones. I am sure FPV and HD recording coming soon on these. Definitely it's coming soon on these. Will be fun to have FPV, but probably too much vibration. Gotta do something about this flapping wing vibration for the FPV cameras if they release it. So people, this is the biometric little bird that you can fly indoors and outdoors from Bionic Birds. Battery is dying again. I gotta land right here and charge it and give it more flight. Maybe I'll try to fly it at home, I think. Yeah, let's try to see if I can fly it in my small living room or not. Thank you very much, Bionic Bird. You know, with the Gogo Bird Eagle, I am restricted to fly it only outdoors. I can only do outdoor flights, and I have to drive or ride, go to farther areas, find open places, and then fly that. But this, look at that. I mean, you can basically fly it anywhere. It's so little, so lightweight, no issues at all. Even if you hit somebody, there's no issue at all with this one because it's absolutely very, very lightweight. If that eagle hits someone at speed, it hurts. Today I hit myself with that eagle while I was coming, and it does hurt. But this one is very, very safe to fly around people, indoor areas or outdoor areas. Just absolutely pure fun. Stay tuned for more videos. Give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel. Stay updated for more videos coming your way soon. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.